Kiseng Bhalang ka Ghadc Hills mentakasngi kila sedang yang kajing pakhang office ban Kyndang yu Chief Executive Member jaga Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council u Rakesh Newar Sangma ubam de Ugaro. Hakani kajing pakhang office kaladan kajing tungku hapdeng Jingiakhih bat uwe MDC u Graham Bell Sangma u balarung jubor sapo ka office jangka council wat hapdeng kajing persya jang Jingiakhih. Habakran hakila pathai khubor u President jangka Association of Democracy and Empowerment Dalseng Bira CH Momen ulaong baka Jingiakhih jengki kalong banyo no da Ugaro CEM.
Ya konatni political motivation agan ke bakata ko singa genja aru singa darang bakata sam political singa nangbakani niu nang chapne singa dongja singa achik jatni namgani na achik jatni rimu khangani sa singa dakrkenga talo dakrkani jatni issue ya darang political ni bongja talo singa skangapa first phase second phase third phase civil obedience movement ko singa abachinga ha tau support phase ko abachinga balance ka abachinga strike ko singa picketing ko abachinga ya abachinga ni ko singa dontong jawa jiona kangkang Rakesh Newar ko CM on ko agal to pet singa ya ko agal jawa aru mijalo CM ni aganat kapa khathana singa dege aganat taskinga ya mijalo bini statement gapao democratically elected ungapade ungapakode jiko sungata manayan gapata ki aganjok bini agana ata chanchiang ode ba bini agana ata wang ode akthar ali ko ba dalo Bengal Muslim sakani MDC donga doko di warang ko bi MDC on genma warang ko yarang ko CM on genma ya MDC Bengal daw jeon select manacham uning bini statement ne jatna agani uningama chanchi agani ngama ma jatni ngam uijama ma jatnan khasanin dongjama jade blungen dukunga talo chungko unggiza agani dal politically saba sudengana saba jotuengana ga bakatharang ko agana debarang ontis tiba chunga ya nangbakani chungo dongja chunga ya dakrkani ko chunga dontong jawa jone kang chunga ya Rakesh Newar ko agalja tao chunga dengthana issue rang ko bacha jaku dianggen jeko naode separate electoral aru anchani service rule aru kepenjatang bakrana manja ingga bako chenga khangoni hazal gni chigni se dakrkinga ya dakrkani ko chenga dalo na bacha dontong jawa unigeman dalo ya isi gital ungga cha khadongan dongja isi gital CM na khadongai dongja mainaya mande antani kusko baname agana ta manja kusuk thangko name agana manja ngode maideki jatni geman bera chanchigen aru jatni mai ko biya chalaigen ya judicial power ko de achak jatni belkode bini jakun chinga de khenchakani donga chinga darang ko ba chinga makneng makbui darang ko ba chinga sanale darang ko ba chinga attack kai bada saniba personality ko ni chinga agani nga ungja niba yan jatni shugo sagani nga mijal batang ko some chinga ko nakana cham chinga mix rangni geman saba gepan jatong ko dongga barang aga barang ni man cha agan jenga ni agani nga cham jirangan gepan jatong ko dongna bodonde ba jiran jatni khalcharo jatni dabbe
Hakawe pat kaliang Menteri Rangba u Konrad ke Sangma ulaong ba ombaro Kiseng Bhalang kidei ki balalet yasno bat Jingiakhih.
There are some NGOs, I would say some because other NGOs have backed out. There are many other NGEA, which is the Employee Association, has also backed out. And all of them are now allowing the district council to function. There are few very limited hand-picked NGOs who are still trying to create some kind of situation, and they're trying to raise some issues. And I have been reiterating this again and again that the selection of the CEM has been done in a democratic manner, and there has been no interference from my side or the party's leadership. Therefore, it is democratically elected process, and that's the process that should be followed. And it is the will of the MDCs that will go forward, and they are the ones who have to run the district council. So we try to stay away and not interfere in the overall process. We only try to support in the administrative aspect of running the council, and whatever support we can give from the government side, we try to give not just to GHADC but to all the district councils.